Hi guys, in today's short video, I want to introduce how to use Haiyaa Multi-layer to produce random color QR code. We got many requirements. They asked for how to produce this colorful QR code. As a very beginner, they haven't any idea of how to produce these kinds of QR code type. In today's short video, I just want to introduce these two types of colorful QR code. I call it quartering QR code. There's 4 color parts to combine this QR code. So this is the final output. Here I use a PPT to introduce this production step by step. Haiyaa is a leading developer, software developer in the field of random colorful barcode. Many types of the current market random colorful QR code are firstly launched by Haiyaa. Many. You can see this example file. This is the load of our developed step year by year. All of them are colorful. The purpose of the random colorful barcode I included. There are 3 purposes. One is attractive. You see it's very colorful. It's attractive to customer. The second purpose is security printing, brand protection. Besides the content of QR code, the color information is another very important and a very interesting information the consumer or the brand owner can use to check the QR code or check the product is fake or genuine. The third is cost effective, because in current digital printing, most of them are colorful. So there are no other cost, just to print this QR code. So I call it cost effective, no additional cost. Okay, this example you can find it in our website. It's a high resolution PDF file. You can check it. In today's demonstration, I just use 2 types, all called as quartering QR code, as an example to introduce the basic concept of random colorful QR code. Okay, to do these types of QR code, you must do preparation. The important preparation to prepare a database. Here you can see in this database there are 5 field names. The first one is barcode content, A001, A002, A003. This is the barcode content. And another 4 field names, color 1, color 2, color 3, color 4, represents the 4-part color. It's a code, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because it's random color, so the 1, 2, 3, 4 is randomly assigned in each cell, like this. There are many kinds of the color definition in the database. Here is just one sample. Here is the simple one, using the Arabic number to define the color. Suppose here we use 1. 1 represents the real color value, CMYK. Cyan 100, magenta 100. A customer can define this color value by themselves. Here we will introduce 2 types quartering QR code. Here is color 1, here this part, color 2 this part, color 3 this part, color 4 this part. And in this left diagonal quartering QR code, color 1 is here, color 2 here, color 4 here, color 3 here. So the first step is to do the preparation. The second is we start to design. First, we need to prepare parameter at first, using the real color value to represent 1, 2, 3, 4. In this screen capture, I will using the switch function to do this parameter. A switch function is a multiple selection and a multiple possibility. Different selection, different possibility using the switch. It's a logic function. The second step is go to the QR code to do setup. Set up the colorful QR code settings by using random colorful barcode option module. It's not a standard configuration of VeriPrint. It's an optional module. If you want to do the random colorful QR code, you need to buy two things. One is VeriPrint, another is random colorful barcode optional module. Using these two components work together. So here we have many types. Here we're just using one using fixed corridor partition. Here is a portfolio using 4 parts to combine the QR code using RGB and CMYK option and give settings as follows. Later I will open the software to introduce how to select. Okay, first step. The second, go to the QR code to do settings. The final output is like this. Each label we give the number from the database 1441. So let you see, is it correct or not correct? I open the software to show you how to produce VeriPrint, our flagship VDP software. Open it. I have prepared a demo file, so I open the demo file directly. Open the demo file using the black 2D barcode controller to drag a box. The default color is black. Open the database. Here's the database. Select database. Select the database. Okay, select database. So here is the database. Okay, because it's a demo, we get it ready so you can see colorful. The first one I show you using this button to end the parameter. To set up the parameter of here, I get the first step. CC1, CC2, CC3, CC4 represents 4 part real color value. I'm making it ready, so I open the edit. You can see CC1, the parameter using the switch. When the color 1, you see right now is color 1 like this. Color 1 has different possibility. Color 2 different possibility selection. So when the color 1 is the value is 1, that means it's using the color is cyan 100, magenta 100. If the color 1 value is 2, represents this value. 3 represents this value. 4 represents this value. Okay, so there's 4 parts. So here is different. CC2. CC2 is color 2. Color 2 has also 4 selections. 1, 2, 3, 4. The same. You can prepare CC1, CC2, CC4. So it's a parameter setup. Then we go to the real setup of colorful QR code. First, drag a box. Double click, link the database. So you can see the content is linked with this QR code. Then we go to this one to select the real type of random colorful. I set up this type of QR code at first. So I choose this option. You can select any of these types. In this type, we have 4 small type. Then we will get this one. Like this. This parameter, import the parameter end. Here are end 1 again. End. Okay, end. I removed because I end 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 is done. So end this 4 color, because here is 4 color. So end the 4 parameter 1 by 1. There's another setting very important is in the advanced option. I listed all of CMYK value inside it. Represents 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the first real color value, semicolon, using this one. Okay, so then for the random colorful QR code types, we choose QR code quick, same as the QR code, but more features and more function. And we using the scale by border. You can get the correct QR code size. For example, if you want to this type, left diagonal bar block, easy. I click it. I let you see this one. I choose the same. There is different. There different. For example, I choose another to let you see what's happening. Bar block. You see, bar block like this. Left diagonal bar block like this. Actually, we have here is many settings. For example, the background we can set as transparent, and the foreground transparent, and we can do mirroring, or give the wide side or background wide side. Has many deep settings about QR code. Okay, finish. Then go to the in position. So in position here, I set the page wise and page height. Of course, you can set a space. Okay, finish. Then print out. Print to desktop. Let you see. Print out. Very quick, because Haiyaa colorful or bright white QR code is totally different from other software QR code. We are high resolution, but the output speed is very fast. I give you idea. If the label include one QR code, black white or colorful QR code, 1 million piece of labels, we can produce the imposition page, multiple page, within 15 minutes. You can get the final impositioned PDF file. It is done. So you can see, I choose this one. You can check 4 here. This part 4 is pure black, right? Pure black. 1 is this part. 1 is cyan 100, magenta 100. So it's a dark blue. 3 is this part. This part is red, M100, Y100. And 2 is this part. What is 2? 2 is 100, the yellow 100. It's green. Easy. So you can check it. That's all. Very simple. So if you have any question, or if you want to produce another types of random colorful QR code, tell us or leave a message to us. We can give another examples to show you how to produce. Okay, thanks for your watching. Thank you.